In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to play with WASD keys. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. WASD are the standard for PC games. So whenever you try to play most modern games on PC, you will be moving your character by using WASD. This is extremely common, especially with 3D games. So as an example, I have Roblox, but like I said, 99% of modern games will use WASD. So in order to play with WASD, it all comes down to practice. If you have never used those, let's say for example because you are a console gamer, what you have to do is position your left hand with your ring finger on A, the middle finger on W, the index finger on D, and pinky on S. So this is a common way to use your fingers across WASD. And in basically most games, W will move you forward, A will move you to the left, S is going to move you backwards, and D is going to move you to the right. You can use other fingers for different actions, and your thumb typically rests on the spacebar because that key is going to be used for jumping. So you move with your left hand with the main fingers, and then your thumb will be used for jumping. So place your left hand over WASD, and you will be able to use it to move around. Of course, I'm giving you general tips that will apply for most games. So, like any new skill, it is going to take time and practice to get comfortable. Use the right game for practice. You can use slower paced games instead of competitive ones, and once you are great and you have nailed it down in the muscle memory, you will be able to use WASD for any game because the layout is going to stay the same. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.